Hello guys, I'm Mr. Mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and here we have the dimensions. This is the front view of the model and this is the right view, and we will get help from these dimensions to design the model. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription, your comments giving me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here we have the dimensions. Firstly, I have to close the model. For closing the model, just come here and click on close. Now I have to make a new part. For making a new part, just come here and click on new part. Okay, now we have a new part. First thing first, for designing a model, we have to draw the sketch. So I'm going to draw the sketch of the front view, and at first it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. So here click on front plane and click on a sketch. Now we have an open sketch. For drawing a sketch we need a plane, so it doesn't matter at first which plane you choose. And now I have to draw the sketch of the front plane. Here choose center line and draw a vertical line. So you can see that as I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this point, the center line will be connected to the origin point. So draw a vertical line and right click and select. Now we have to draw two circles. So here I choose circle, 2-point circle, and I start drawing the circle from this orange point, the end of the center line, and I draw two circles in each other. And I do the same thing here, two circles, and I right click and select, or you can press the escape button on your keyboard. Now choose the smart dimension. The dimension of this bigger circle is 64 millimeter. So you can see here the dimension of the bigger circle is 64 millimeter, and the smaller one is 34 millimeter. 34 millimeter. And here the dimension of this circle is 38 millimeter, and dimension of this one is 20 millimeter. You can see the sketch is becoming black, and my sketch is becoming fully defined, but the sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving. So here I choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this center line is 75 millimeter. You can see the sketch is full defined and everything is black, but we have to draw an arc here. So I choose a 3-point arc, and I connect this circle to this circle, and the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, and I right click and select to exit the tool. Now I choose a smart dimension. The radius of the arc is 64 millimeter, and the arc must be tangent to these two circles. So here I hold the control button and I choose the arc here and the circle here, and I give it tangent relation, and I do the same thing here, tangent relation. The sketch is fully defined, but we have to mirror this arc to this side of the center line. Here I choose mirror entities and I choose this arc, and in mirror about I choose the center line, and you can see the yellow arc here, and turn on the copy. We have to copy this arc. Yes, okay. Now everything is black. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations, the green symbols here or the numbers here, come in hide and show items, and you can turn on or turn off the sketch view relation or the dimensions. So here come to the feature. If you don't have the feature tab, just right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab here. So come to the feature and click on extruded boss and base. And here click this region and this one. Don't choose these two regions. Here choose a midplane. We have to extrude the sketch from the both sides, and we have to extrude it about here is, you can see the 30 millimeter. You can see I'm getting help from the right view. It is 30 millimeter, and okay. Now we have to again extrude the sketch. Here I choose the previous sketch, and again I choose extruded boss and base, and in selected contour I choose these two regions, and again I choose here a midplane, and we have to extrude this region about 10 millimeter. and okay. So you can see I can change the extrusion of the each region of the sketch, and I can use the previous sketch to make another extrusion. So now all we have to do is just make a cut extrude on this surface or on this surface, it doesn't matter, but the surface must be flat. So click on this surface, and here click on sketch. Now in view orientation you can change the view. This view is better, or you can hold the Ctrl 8 to get this view. Here choose a circle, 2-point circle, and draw a circle at the origin point. So I draw 2 circles in each other, another one, yes, and I right click and select. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of the bigger circle is 55 millimeter. So you can see it is 55 millimeter, and the dimension of the smaller one is 43 millimeter. Yes, and here come to the feature and click on cut extrude, and in selected contour choose this region here, and we have to make a cut extrude about 5 millimeter. Yes, 5 millimeter, and it must be blind. Sketch plane, yes, don't turn on these two options, and okay. Yes, and here we have to make another we have to make another extrusion on this surface here. So here I click on this surface and I click on the sketch, and I hold the Ctrl and 8 button on my keyboard, or you can get this view from the view orientation. Here I choose convert entities, and I choose this circle and this one, and I click on OK. Now here come the feature and click on extrude boss, and in selected contour choose this region here, and you have to extrude it about 15 millimeter. Yes, 15 millimeter. Here turn on the merge results, and don't turn on these options. Here must be blind sketch plane. Yes, okay. Now all we have to do is just apply a color to our model. So here hold the control button and choose this boss extrude, and this one, and this one, and in edit appearance change the color to blue. Blue is much better. Yes, blue. And here hold the control button and choose this surface and this surface, and I think the purple is better. Yes, purple is better. And the surface here, hold the control button and choose this surface and this surface, and I think yellow is better. So you can apply many different color, but I think these colors are much better to use. Please practice at home and do it yourself. And I have uploaded over 30 videos on my YouTube channel about drawing a sketch if you don't know how to make your sketch full define. And if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, it will give me energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.